Okay, today we're going through the new Kutty X. Turn on your display, simply hold the power button here. Your pass levels are changed with the up and down buttons. And this bike goes from 0 to 5, stock settings. Turn on your headlight, hold the up button. This will turn on integrated headlight and tail light as well as backlight on your display. To turn this off, hold the up button again. The throttle is right by your display. Simple thumb throttle. You just toggle and it will go. Our brakes are right here. In the shifter, we've got a trigger style shifter to shift down. Use the one furthest away, shift up. Use the thumb. To remove your battery, put your key in the keyhole, move to the unlock position, and then move the knob on your battery and it will pull out. If you want to check your battery level on the battery, there is simply this gray button. Press that and the bars will light up to indicate how much charge you have. Put the battery back in, slide it down on the bottom like so, and just insert and lock.